is a really simple one. It's about how to add a gallery to a post, and here we have a sample for you where we have one of Steve's posts, Waiting for Banksy. It has a series of images in a thumbnail format, and they are in 3 columns. By clicking on any one of the images, we can see the image in its own post, and that is where you see it larger, and there's even a space where people can leave some commentary about how much they love it. So then, let's have a think about how we create a gallery, and it really is easy. So let's add a new post. Let's title it, say, Test Gallery, and then let's click on Add Media, and then click on Create Gallery in the top left menu. Okay, I'm now going to pick out about 12 images. I think it's probably quite important that I have selected items, or images rather, which are all the same size. So that's going to make it nice and easy. Although I do think that the software will, of itself, resize the images, because what you're seeing is obviously thumbnails. So let's click on Create New Gallery. And at this point now, what we can do is move the items around so that we get everything in the order that you wish it to be done. I think if I click on Caption, it should give some words in there. Gallery settings, I'd just like you to look at this on the right hand side. Link to, it says media file, change that to attachment page. If you want to, you can change the number of columns, but I think 3 works pretty well. And then click on Insert Gallery, and here we have a symbol which shows us we have a gallery in place. If we want to, we can add some words in as much as you wish to. Then we want to add categories as usual. I think documentary, and of course I want to think it relates to the author, Steve Welsh. In this case it's not Steve, it's me, isn't it? I would add tags about Banksy, whatever the commentary is here, so that Google will find us. And then we're done. And then all we need to do is click on Publish. The page will refresh in a second. And there we are, it's refreshed. So let's go to the site. Let's just go to, look at Nick Rocker, because I made that a category. Test Gallery. Let's look at that in full. And here we are. Instantly we have our post with lots of images which I've put in place there. Let's just click on one of them and look at it in a larger format. And there it is, with the chance for people to make comments saying how wonderful it is. And so that is really simple. What we've done is we've created a new post. We want to add media, we created a gallery, we selected our items, we put them in. You might want to watch this 2 or 3 times just to get the hang of it. But what you need to do is upload some images and practice it. And it really is possibly the simplest lesson that we have here. So I hope you found it useful. As ever, give it a try. Watch the screencast a few times. If you're stuck, give me a ring, send me an email. I'll be pleased to help. Thanks for listening.